The refrigerator corpse is a chilling legend from Korean folklore, blending elements of horror, urban myth, and cultural anxieties. This tale revolves around the discovery of a human corpse concealed within a refrigerator, often in abandoned apartments, secondhand appliances, or rental properties with a suspiciously low price. The legend is rooted in the fear of hidden crimes, urban isolation, and the macabre notion of everyday objects harboring something gruesome. In one common version of the story, a tenant moves into an unusually affordable apartment, sometimes left furnished by the previous occupant. Everything seems normal at first, but an odd, persistent smell lingers in the air, often mistaken for spoiled food or plumbing issues. Over time, the odor intensifies, and despite thorough cleaning, it refuses to dissipate. When the tenant finally decides to check inside the refrigerator, perhaps due to a power outage, pest infestation, or sheer curiosity, they uncover the horrifying truth: a human body, dismembered and packed into the appliance, preserved by the cold but slowly decomposing. The origins of the refrigerator corpse legend stems from real life cases in Korea and other parts of the world where criminals have been hidden bodies in household appliances to evade detection. These true events likely contributed to these stories' spread, reinforcing the fears about secondhand goods, unfamiliar living spaces, and the possibility that past horrors may literally reside in one's own home. In some tellings, the body belongs to a previous tenant murdered by the landlord, or a former lover's act of vengeance, or even an unknown victim whose killer has never been caught. A particular eerie variation of the legend suggests that the corpse does not remain lifeless. Some claim that at night, strange noises can be heard from the refrigerator: whispering voices, faint scratching, or the sound of something shifting inside. In extreme versions, the corpse itself is said to reassemble and emerge, exacting revenge on those who disturbed it. Some tenants report strange dreams or feelings of being watched, as if the dead refuse to be forgotten. The refrigerator corpse is a legend that resonates deeply with Korea's modern urban culture, where high density living and transient rental markets fuel concerns about previous tenants and unspoken histories with apartments. The fear of inheriting someone else's dark past or unwittingly shared a space with a concealed horror gives the tale its staying power. Whether a cautionary tale about hidden dangers or a reflection of real criminal cases, the refrigerator corpse remains one of Korea's most unsettling urban legends.